In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Squarespace color palette in site styles. If you want your website to feel more on brand, more polished, and more visually consistent, updating your color palette is a great place to start. Squarespace makes this fairly simple once you know where to look. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to access the color settings and make your changes smoothly. To begin, go to the top right corner of your Squarespace editor and click Site Styles. This is where Squarespace keeps many of your design controls, including fonts, spacing, buttons, and of course, colors. Opening Site Styles is the first step because it gives you access to the broader visual settings for your entire site. Once you're inside Site Styles, find the Colors section and click the arrow next to it to expand it. This opens the color controls so you can view the palette options connected to your site design. If you don't immediately see everything, just make sure the section is expanded fully before moving on. After that, click Edit Palette. This takes you into the palette editor, which is where you can actually customize the colors used across your site. The palette editor is especially useful because it lets you adjust the visual foundation of your design, rather than changing colors one element at a time. From here, select the color you want to work on. You can click directly on a color in the palette and begin adjusting it. This is helpful if you already know the exact tone you want, or if you're trying to fine-tune your existing brand colors. As you make changes, pay attention to how the palette works together overall. A good palette should feel balanced and readable, not just attractive on its own. If you'd rather start from something pre-designed, you can also choose from presets. This is a great option if you want inspiration or if you'd like a faster way to test different visual directions. Presets can help you explore combinations you may not have considered while still keeping the editing process easy and organized. As you customize your palette, try to keep consistency in mind. Choose colors that support your brand and make sure there's enough contrast for text and important elements to remain easy to read. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how professional your site looks, and that's how to customize your Squarespace color palette in Site Styles. Once you've selected your colors or a preset that fits your brand, your site will immediately feel more intentional and visually cohesive.